Hey there, got car troubles? We know how frustrating it can be when your car isn't running smoothly. Whether it's a strange noise, a warning light, or something just doesn't feel right, it can really throw a wrench in your day. Don't worry, I've got the perfect solution for you. Imagine driving away with peace of mind, knowing your car is in top-notch condition. Introducing all-in-one auto maintenance in Sharjah Industrial Area. 2. Just call 05569408898. This isn't just any auto repair shop. It's your one-stop destination for all your car maintenance needs. Whether it's a pesky electrical issue or a mysterious diagnostic problem, these guys have you covered. They use the latest technology to pinpoint and fix issues quickly and efficiently. Imagine this: your car's ECM, BCM, or ABS acting up. Sounds complicated, right? These systems are crucial for your car's performance and safety, but not for the experts at All-in-One Auto Maintenance. They have the skills and the tools to handle even the most complex issues. These folks specialize in all things tech-savvy when it comes to car repairs. They stay updated with the latest advancements in automotive technology to ensure your car gets the best care possible. They'll diagnose, repair, and program your car's systems with cutting-edge tools and expertise. No guesswork, just precise and reliable service. You know how frustrating it can be when your car's dashboard lights up like a Christmas tree. It can be overwhelming and stressful. Check engine light, ABS warning, or maybe even that dreaded battery light. Each light indicates a different issue that needs attention. But with all-in-one auto maintenance, you're in good hands. Their team is dedicated to providing top-notch service and ensuring your car is safe and reliable. Their team will dive right in, diagnose the issue, and get your car back on the road in no time. But wait, there's more. They offer a comprehensive range of services to keep your car in perfect condition. They don't just stop at diagnostics. Need electrical work? They've got it covered. From minor fixes to major overhauls, they handle it all with precision. From rewiring to fixing those annoying electrical gremlins, they've got the skills and the know-how to get it done right. No more worrying about flickering lights or malfunctioning systems. And let's not forget about their programming expertise. They ensure that your car's software is up to date and functioning correctly. Whether it's ECM, BCM, or ABS, these guys are pros at programming and reprogramming your car's systems. They make sure everything runs smoothly and efficiently. Think of them as the tech wizards of the auto repair world. Their expertise and dedication set them apart from the rest. Now I know what you're thinking. How do I get in touch with these amazing experts? Sounds great, but how do I get in touch with these awesome folks? It's simple. Just dial 05569408898. Yep, that's 05569408898. Save it in your contacts for any car emergencies. Give them a call if you have any issues with your car. They're always ready to assist you with a smile. They're ready to help you out. Their team of skilled mechanics is always on standby to provide the best service. So, if you're in UAE and need reliable, tech-savvy, and comprehensive auto maintenance, look no further than All-in-One Auto Maintenance. They are your go-to experts for all things automotive. Your car deserves the best, and these guys deliver just that. Experience the difference with their exceptional service. Remember, for diagnostics, electrical work, or programming, they've got you covered under one roof. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure to keep your car in top shape with their expert care. Don't let car troubles get you down. There's always a solution, and it's closer than you think. Get your car fixed at All-in-One Auto Maintenance today. Trust them to bring your car back to life.